Hello everyone and welcome once again. My name is David Valenzuela. I am your host. I'm the person that will be teaching you how to going into TypingClub. It is gamified, data-driven activities help improve keyboarding skills. This is a program where I highly recommend. It's a web-based program where students, educators, anyone that is a beginner that wants to learn how to type, I will be showing you how to go into the website. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing, I'm going to go into the Google Chrome, and I will type here right on the search engine TypingClub. Right. Once you type TypingClub, press enter. Then it'll take you to the first link, TypingClub Learn Touch Typing Free. Learn Touch Typing online, TypingClub's free typing courses. It includes over 650 typing games. So click on it once. So it takes you to this page, which is the home page. So learn touch typing for free. Before we get started, a couple of things I want to go over just so you could get an idea, guys. There's a couple of there's a top little icons here that you can click on. Once I click get started, it'll give me the lessons, what I want to do. So first, if I want to do the introduction, I can click on that and it'll give me an idea of how to go about doing. Let's say, for example, if I click on this and let's take a look.
So, I hear you want to type like a pro. Let's start by setting up your finger positioning. Look at the F and J keys on your keyboard. Do you see the bumps on each key? Close your eyes and feel for the bumps using your 2 index fingers. Take your time, but don't look. Did you get it? Your index fingers should always find their way back to F and J by feeling for those bumps. Now curve your fingers and bring your other fingers down on the next 3 keys on either side. This is called the home row position. For example, to type the letter U, your right index finger will travel up 1 key and then quickly return to the bump on the J key. Okay, before we start, there is only one rule you must always follow. Never, ever look at the keyboard while typing. If you follow this rule, your index fingers will quickly learn to find their way home by feeling for the bumps. Fast typists forget about the keyboard and don't even realize their fingers are at work. They feel one with the computer. After some practice, you'll start feeling it too. The computer becomes a part of your body, and your mind is in full control. Let's get started.
Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do, for example, I'm going to show an example. It says type the F key using your left index. So if I click F, and then it'll ask me type the J key using your right index finger. Good job. So the next we will practice F and J, F and J. So I want to click at the bottom, click continue. So let's do a practice session, guys. So I'm going to use my keyboard. I'm going to press F, 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 J, 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 F, 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 J, 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 F, F, J, J, F. So as you can tell, guys, I'm doing this repetition, every single time I do that. It's going to be like a repetitive procedure that I'm doing, process. Once it says good job, check mark green, which you know you've done a good job, then it's going to ask me to do F. When you see this blank, that means it's asking you to hit the space bar. Look at your space bar, F space J space J space F F. Now guys, let's see, for example, I'm going to make a mistake. I'm going to press the F. Look, watch what happens. So when I press the F, that means there's an error. So we can't continue until you press the right correct button, which is backspace. JJ space JJ space F. J space J. Oh, see, I made a mistake. There we go. Good job. So we move on to the next. So before we do drills, I'm just going to do this one just for practice, guys, so you guys get an idea of how to do a practice session starting when you start typing. So I do F, 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 space, J, 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 J. So there we go, guys. My score was 2,000. And again, I did it in only 22 seconds. It'll tell me exactly 98% of the accuracy. It'll tell me how many points I earned. And the words per minute were 43 words per minute. So let me scroll down. So I go back. So now it'll take you to D. But what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to click on the left arrow here. And I want to go back. I want to go back home, right? So let me go back home. Let me type in again, typingclub.com. I want to go directly to home, guys. So this Typing Club web-based program, ladies and gentlemen, and students, that you can also use it for your school. Typing Club School Edition, it gives you the complete control over your students' typing progress. Setting up an account is quick and free. Sign up now. So normally if you want to create an account for your school, it's pretty much free. Now it will ask you, normally once you create an account, they will give you 60 days, and after the 60 days, once you get a more comprehensive idea of what the lessons are about, it has built-in recognition awards that you can also give to your class, whether you're doing it in a computer lab setting or not. It has typing games, has advanced reporting, it has hand anchoring, and it even gives you rewards for badges. You can print out these badges for your students. So it's a really cool feature. It's got instructional videos. There you go, guys. For those of you that are really into earning certificates, this is a highly motivational for students that want to learn, want to earn certificates while they're typing. And this is a really cool motivational thing that you can encourage your students to do. Typing tests, they can also be used to type tests. Typing for kids, Jungle Junior, and you can also partner it for the Google Classroom, and it is ISTE standards, Seal of Alignment, student standards. So and see at the bottom, it'll tell you the pricing, privacy, curriculum. But again, it offers it for free, but if you want the paid edition, then you can look up the pricing and see what's available. Scroll all the way up. I'm gonna go back. So if I click on the language, look, guys, it'll tell me exactly if I want to learn how to do it in Spanish, it'll tell you Espanol. These are other available options. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you definitely take advantage of this free typing program. I've used it and I was very successful with it, and I hope you will too. Guys, have a good one, okay? Take care.